shy about. But we got a request in to have you do a little rap.
Oh God. What do you want
We
me
can
to...
come back to you if you need.
I mean,
need a
no.
session.
Shout out to Matty Brown on Twitter.
I could probably rap.
Okay.
Do you guys want me to do something like that I've written, or do you want me to do something that I'm just gonna freestyle?
Can you freestyle about the live cast right now?
Freestyle about the live cast? You're gonna put me on the spot? Alright. I guess if you're gonna put me on the spot, I'm gonna have to give you two exactly what I got. I got a light in my face and I got my two friends. You saw the beginning and how the story ends. Yeah, we didn't make nationals, but this year we did. We kind of grew up. We used to be little kids, and now we like men. We real good friends, and that's what we're doing. Yeah, say it again. That's Chasing Sarasota. Yeah, we rock Rhino. You should know not to ask questions about my flow, cause I'm gonna kick it. Yes, I always wicked. That's right, I do, and when I do it, I can rip it. All right.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
That's great, and you just made that up right now.
Yeah.
There's not many people. There's not many people that can do that.
All right.
You know that. It's so you can be proud of yourself.
Cool.
All right, let's throw.